What's good, family? How's everybody doing on this Sunday? Hopefully every single one of you guys is doing blessed. Most importantly, hopefully you guys are being safe wherever you guys are at in this beautiful world that we live in. This is your boy Hamid G, and I'm about to drop it like it's hot this evening, guys. About to break you off some of the latest and greatest in Dogecoin. We're going to get into some technicals, then we're going to get into some fundamentals, guys. Now, if you're new to my channel and all of that sounds good to you, maybe you can give your boy a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe to the channel or not. It's all good in the hood, baby. I just appreciate you stopping by and checking my channel out, guys. None of this is ever financial advice. It's just your boy running his mouth on YouTube. Nothing more, nothing less. Please never take it as financial advice, guys. And guys, real quick, I made this channel to keep you guys informed, right, guys? I hope to become a crypto millionaire in the next couple years. Hopefully, I hope for the same for you guys as well. I hope my channel brings you guys informative information, helpful, useful information. I never show you guys any of my links, right, for Webull, Robinhood, or Coinbase, or any of those things, guys. I could, because I do have affiliated links, but I don't, guys, because I didn't make this channel for that. I made that to keep whoever's watching my channel informed with the latest and greatest, so hopefully it can help your pockets get more money, right, guys? That's why I made this channel. Nothing more, nothing less, just to help whoever's looking at it, man. And I hope that it is helpful, and I hope it's very informative, right? All right, enough of that yapping. I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's do it. All right, guys, Bitcoin is up 1.54%. We're sitting at 49,976 cents. Not too bad, guys. Bitcoin did pretty good over the whole weekend, guys, considering some people were saying that it might dip. But we ranged between the lower 48,000s and the mid 49,000s, right? Nothing spectacular, but nonetheless, Bitcoin held its ground, and it didn't dip to no 47, 46, you know what I mean? It's holding its ground nonetheless, all right, guys? So enough of Bitcoin. Let's get into the main superstar of this channel, and that is yours truly, Dogecoin. All right, guys, we're sitting at 31 cents. We are up 0.41% for the day. We had a 24-hour low, guys, of 30 cents. And our 24-hour high was at 32 cents. We have a market cap sitting at 41.42 billion. And our volume is pretty much almost the same as what it was yesterday. We're sitting at 2.34 billion, right? So it pretty much hasn't really changed. That's why the price has just been kind of staying between 31, 32 cents. We're in a tight range. We're consolidating, right, guys? But nonetheless, don't get it twisted, right, guys? Dogecoin is looking bullish when it comes to the technicals, right? That's why I want to show you guys the chart real quick. You know, I like to look at the chart, guys, and check it out, see what's going on. Of course, it froze up on me. All right, give me 1 second, guys. Here, let me fix it all up. All right, guys, now I just wanted to show you here, okay, the bullish technicals, right, guys? So as you can see, we're in an ascending triangle, guys, ever since July 21st, right, when we broke out of the descending triangle, right? We broke to the upside, and we've pretty much been heading up ever since, right? Now, right now, guys, we're just consolidating these past couple of days. We've been trading between 31 and 32 cents, right, in a tight range, right? But in my opinion, it's just Dogecoin is getting primed, getting ready for another breakout, guys. Another breakout. You know what I mean? In my opinion. Now, what day exactly, I don't know. But in my opinion, I truly believe we are going to break to the upside again, right? So, now as you can see, we have a red line here, okay? Now, that's the level of support, and that is the 100-day moving average, and that is sitting at 28 cents, okay, guys? Now, for the level of resistance, in my opinion, it's at 34 cents, guys. Why? Because as you can see here, right? Let me open it up a little bit more. Okay, guys, so about 7 days ago, right, guys, we test when you see this kind of big a green daily candle that is touching right on the 100-day moving average, right? It's about 7 days ago. So that day and 2 days after that, we tested this 34 cents area of resistance, guys, 3 days in a row, and we got rejected 3 days in a row. We haven't got there since, but in my opinion, that is a strong level of resistance we need to break through before we jump up to that 45 cents area, guys. All right, guys, now this is what I had for as far as the technical goes. I like to keep it pretty easy breezy, beginner friendly when it comes to the charts, okay, guys? Now, if you guys have any questions or anything, man, let me know down in the comments about the technicals. All right, now let's get into some fundamentals here, guys, if my phone will let me here. All right, got a couple of them to get into, okay, guys? Now, it says top trader warns not to sleep on Dogecoin, flips mega bullish, right, guys? So like I said, man, a lot of people are sleeping on Doge, right? They think it's a meme coin and it's a joke, right? Now, it says a widely followed crypto trader is warning people not to forget about the leading meme crypto asset, Dogecoin, and he's allowing flipping bullish. He's also flipping bullish on one Solana based digital. He says the trader known as Kalo tells his 356,000 Twitter followers that he is bullish on Doge. Then he goes on to say, worth saying one more time because I love you guys, and don't sleep on Doge here, right? And it's showing the chart, and I just showed you guys we're in an ascending channel, headed up, baby. We're headed to the moon. Now it says, looking at Dogecoin against Bitcoin, Kalo says that Doge will continue going on a tear until it meets the high time frame resistance of worth 44 cents at the time of writing. Here's the game plan. Dogecoin will continue to mount higher until it hits the HTF resistance on the Bitcoin pair around 900 Satoshis. This is where you should be stacking, because when it breaks that line, it's over, aka gigacent above $1, right? Even he thinks it's going to hit $1, guys. You know what I'm saying? And I truly believe we will hit $1, guys, before this year is over. Hopefully sooner, but I think at least by the end of the year, the latest, it will hit it. All right. Now this says chain analysts says Dogecoin adoption. Stupid thing. Adoption reaches record level. 82% of Dogecoin supply owned by 535 entities. All right. Now goes on to say, blockchain data platform Chain Analysts published a market intel report on Dogecoin last week. The firm's chief economist Philip Gretel explained, says exclusive on-chain analysis of Dogecoin shows it is currently being adopted by new investors at a level not seen since the late 2017 bull market, with new investors increasing their share of supply from 9% in July 2020 to 25% in August of 2021. So guys, obviously people continue to hodl Dogecoin, right, is what they're getting at. Now it says Chain Analyst chief economist also pointed out that Dogecoin ownership is very concentrated, citing that a small number of wealthy entities own most of the supply, right? So it's big whales, right? It says he explained that there are currently 4 million on-chain Doge holders. However, 106 billion Doge, 82% of supply is held by 535 entities that hold more than 10 million Doge each, or equivalent to 0.01% of entities. He said, adding that this is likely a mixture of business such as exchanges that store Doge on behalf of millions of traders and a few now wealthy early investors. He further noted that out of 4 million Doge holders, 2.1 million entities hold less than 100 Doge each, with half of them the meme cryptocurrency for more than 2 years. The economist explained that these low-balanced entities are not necessarily individuals, but are likely to be sacred wallets belonging to a smaller number of individuals. All right, and I'm going to finish out with this right here. It says, the analyst further reveals 37 billion of the 106 billion Doge is held by just 31 investors that have held their Doge for between 6 months and 2 years. That is over 1 billion Doge each on average. Some of these may be businesses such as exchanges, but nonetheless, at least they've been holding it, guys, from 6 months to at least 2 years, right? They're not day trading it or anything like that, so they're hodling it, right? So that's a good thing, right? Then it goes on to say Dogecoin's price rises demonstrate that cryptocurrencies are experimented in branding for financial assets plugged directly into the craziness and creativity of the internet. While this may seem counter to traditional financial brand values, it may be that traditional financial brand values are out of step with consumers. All right, guys. Now, this is some good stuff here too, right, guys? And some stuff to maybe, maybe worry about, you know what I mean, on how 535, you know what I mean, how they gave all the chain analysts, right, guys, on how, it says right here, 37 of the 106 billion is held only by 31 investors, right? But it can be, like they were saying, it can be exchanges, so on and so forth, right? But the good thing is they're not selling, right? They're hodling, right? And that's what we want for the Doge community, right? All right, oh, here we go. I got to get back in here, guys. Sorry, because I had another article in this one here. All right. Okay, right here. Now, it says Dogecoin price is in a minor retracement upside momentum, probably. All right, guys, like I had said, right, we're consolidating in a tight range right now between 31 and 32 cents, right? Now, it says Doge is expected to rise and retest the 35-cent resistance. Now, I say 34 cents. They're saying 35. Nonetheless, the current price is in a sideways momentum characterized by small indecisive candles. These candles indicate that buyers and sellers are undecided about the direction of the market. If the price of Doge rises and breaks through the 35-cent resistance, the altcoin will rise to about 45 cents, like I said in my just not too long ago. On the other hand, if the altcoin turns away from the current resistance, Dogecoin will fall to the previous low at either 28 or 21 cents. Like I told you guys, that 100-day moving average, baby, is at 28 cents, just like they're calling here. Now, it says Dogecoin price is at level 68 on the relative strength index for a period of 14. The cryptocurrency is approaching overbought territory, right, which does not have enough room to recover the upside. Doge is above the 70% area of the daily Satoshi stochastics. I can't say that word, guys. Sorry. This suggests that the market is in a bullish momentum, and as you can see, right, they have the 100-day moving average there as well, guys, and they also have the ascending channel like I had for you guys on the chart. It says, what is the next direction for Dogecoin? Dogecoin is likely to go up again. Doge price rises to retest 35 cents resistance level. Meanwhile, on August 15th, uptrend, a retraced candle body tested the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. The retracement suggests that Doge will rise to the level of 1.618 Fibonacci extensions, or 45 cents. That's if we break through this resistance at 34 cents, guys, is what they're saying, right? Then it shows you all the Fibonacci stuff here. All right, guys. Now let's get into some more good news here, right? Now this here is kind of, it's crypto and Doge news, all right, guys? Now it says millennials, exennials, or Generation X, which group is the most into crypto? It says millennials are the generation group that invests the most in cryptocurrencies, while exennials earn the most profits, a study revealed. It says, according to the recent survey, millennial investors have allocated 12% of their wealth in digital assets markets, while exennials and Generation X have respectively distributed 9.2 and 6.3. However, those born between the ages of the 1970s and the early 80s have profited the most in those investments. All right, now I wanted to get into the most important part here, guys. Okay, now it says, despite investing the most, millennials are not leaders in terms of making crypto profits. Nearly 76% answered they have gained from their investments, while exennials ranked first with 80.5%. As the Generation X, the numbers stood at 71.5%. Now it says Bitcoin is the most preferred investment asset for all as around 60% of each group chose it. Ethereum is second for millennials, and Generation X, interestingly, it is for the fourth choice for exennials, who tend to go for Bitcoin Cash and Dogecoin. Right, guys? Even older people, guys, are investing in Dogecoin, right? It's not just the millennials, which is what I am. I think that's, yeah, I'm a millennial, I believe. Yeah, so, yeah, I am. Yeah, so, you know what I mean, guys? So the point I'm making is, right, guys, so it's not just young people, right, that are the Gen Zs and all of those guys that are younger than me investing in Dogecoin, what a lot of people think, right? According to this survey in this article, they're saying that older people, guys, are making a lot of money investing in Dogecoin. Anyways, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me see, well, how much time do I got in here, guys? All right, I got one more article here for you guys before I close this out, right? Now, it says crypto market goes into extreme greed. What this means for Bitcoin. Now this is good for Doge, right, guys? Because it says the crypto markets, right? Everybody's back into greed again, baby. Everybody's greedy mofos and wants that dinero. Now I'm just going to read about an article, a paragraph or two, right? Now it says, the crypto fear and greed shows that the market has now gone into extreme greed. Continuing its upward trajectory from the last couple of weeks, the index has gradually made its way out of the extreme fear when the market seems to be in its most vulnerable. Prices were crashing from both Bitcoin to altcoins. This saw sentiments decline into negative. Exactly, guys. Even though the markets were in fear, guys, I was buying the dip and I was purchasing altcoins at a cheap price. Why, guys? Because I knew the market was going to bounce back. I knew we were just consolidating, right, guys? There's just no way that the bull run was over, and as you can see, it's not over yet, guys. Well, anyways, this is what your boy Hamid G had for you. Hopefully it was informative and insightful on this Sunday evening, guys. Thank you for being with me. I know you guys could have been doing other things, so I appreciate your guys' time. God bless. You guys stay safe and be blessed. Until tomorrow, your boy Hamid G is out. Peace.